Hello. Good afternoon everybody. Am I audible to all? Let us start the class then. चलिए start करते हैं class आज की again. Let us start the class. Let's start the class then. Class को start किया जाए. तो भाई कल हमने महा रिवीजन sorry, this is English batch. So tomorrow, so good afternoon everybody. Let's start the class then. So yesterday we have done in Maha revision. Today we would be starting with some practice questions. So Super 20 series, it will be composed of 20 good questions from Geotech, which will help you to have a good command on your concepts and as well as revise those concepts as well. Okay. So let's see with the first question. I will give you ample amount of time to solve. First you solve, then I will solve. Okay. First you will give it a try, then I will solve it for you. Okay, just I will on the wait a minute please. Yeah. Great. Now polls are also on. Yeah. So let's start with this question. I am giving you 2.5 minute time. This is an MSQ type question, multiple choice question. So just write down the options, all the correct options. Our software will automatically catch from the chat. Okay. So let's start please. Let's start with it. Please tick the correct options here, then I will proceed further again. Okay. Please tick the correct options here. Do it fast. Time is still left. I want correct options from everybody, then I will proceed further. Okay. Please tick the correct answers. Huh? Do it fast please. So correct answer is what? See, peat and muck both are organic soil. This one is correct. A is correct. Very good. Peat is an inorganic soil. No, peat is a highly organic soil. This is wrong. Indurated clay, induration is the process of hardening of clay due to heat and pressure. So indurated clays are hardened clays. They will soften only, they does not soften easily under prolonged wetting. This is hardened clay that is formed from the fusion of clays. So C is also correct and D is also correct. Peat and muck both are highly organic soils and both are highly compressible also. Out of peat and muck, peat is more compressible, but peat and muck both are compressible soils. Both are highly compressible soils. So A, B, A, C, D, these kind of questions you can very much expect in your exam as well. A, C, D's, only 6 of you have given me the correct answer. Swagatam, very good. Vijay, then the OG noob, I don't know what is your name, Ayush and so on. Very good. Next question. Are you ready for the next question? Are you ready for the next question? Shall we see the next question now? Are you ready for the next question, my dear friends? Let's see the next question now. Let's see the next question now. Solve this one. Mixing of soil. Very good question. 2.5 minute time I am giving you again. Solve it fast. Do it fast. This kind of question we have done in our class as well. Make it fast please, then I will solve it for you. Everybody is getting option C only. Please solve it. Giving you ample amount of time. C seems to be a correct answer then. Let's see. Let's see the solution of this question. So, we have soil A. Soil A. Water content was given to me as 100%. Weight is 1 kg. Weight of water plus weight of solids is equal to 1 kg. Now, weight of solids I can calculate first, that is total weight upon 1 plus W. 1 upon 1 plus 1, that is 0.5 kg. Weight of water is 1 minus 0.5, that is 0.5 kg again. Soil B. Water content is 50%. Weight is 1 kg. Weight of solid is total weight by 1 plus W again. 1 by 1 plus 0.5, that is 2 by 3 kg. Weight of water is 1 minus 2 by 3, that is 1 by 3 kg. Okay, done. So now, weight of the mixed soil, water content of mixed soil for mixture, weight of water by weight of solid. So when you will mix those two soils, total weight of water will be what? 0.5 plus 1 by 3 and total weight of solid is 0.5 plus 2 by 3. Just individually add the solids as well as water, okay. Into 100 answer will come out in percentage. What answer you are getting? Tell me fast, my dear friends. Let me also calculate. So 0.5, okay. 3 5s are 15, so it is 2.5 divided by 3.5 into 100. So 25 by 35 into 100. 71% you are getting, not 75%. Why have you given me the wrong answers? 71.43, approximately 71%, nearest answer. The closest answer is B, I don't know why have you all given me the wrong answers. B was the correct answer here. Don't know how many of you were right here. Only 2 people, Master in Business and Ankit Yadav. Try to keep your correct name here, okay. That sounds good while reading as well. So, I don't know, maximum of you have given me B as the answer, C as the answer, I don't know why. Where is the correct answer? Weighted average you will not do, I guess you have done the weighted average. Weighted average you will not do, it will give you wrong answers. For calculating the water content of the mixture, take the weight of water of both the mix and weight of solids of both the mix and then do it. Okay, because mass can never be created nor be destroyed. Am I clear? Simple question though, not that tough. Chalo. Let's do this question. Give me the answer in nearest integer, then only it will catch. Give me the answer in nearest integer, okay. Report your answer in nearest integer, okay. This is also a good question, try to solve this. Try to do this, very interesting question again. Give your answer in nearest integer, okay. Nearest integer, you should report your answer in nearest integer. I am waiting for answers. I am waiting for answers. We have to find out VD here, my dear friend. So what was given to me here? Interesting question. Let's see what is the correct solution now. These kind of questions you can very much expect in your exam. Hopefully you will like the questions in this session. VL, volume at liquid limit, was given to me, that is 23 cc. Okay. Liquid limit was given to me as 45%. Now VD we have to calculate, that is minimum volume, and shrinkage limit was given to me as 18%. GS was also given to me. What was GS here? GS is how much? GS is how much, my dear friends? GS is equal to 2.73. Correct. Very good. Now minimum volume which can be attained by the soil is, that is we have to find out VD. VD I have to find out, that is the dry volume corresponding to shrinkage limit. We will find out. Now at WL, if I draw the phase diagram, I do not know any formula, I only follow the phase diagram approach. Solid volume will not change, weight of solids will also not change. Solid water, find out WS here, WS upon GS gamma W, GS I knew. This is WL, weight of water, WL into VS, it is WS, and volume of water is WL, WS upon gamma W. Now VL is equal to what? WL, WS upon gamma W plus WS by GS gamma W, as simple as that. VL is 23 cc, liquid limit 0.45, WS I do not know, gamma W I will take it as 1 gram per cc, everything is in gram cc. WS I need to calculate, GS is 2.73. Find out WS from here in grams, what is the weight of solids you are getting, and just substitute it to find out the VD. So WS is how much you are getting? 23 divided by 0.45 plus 1 by 2.73. 28.17, yeah, 28.178 grams, 176 grams. Now at shrinkage limit, similar we will write VD is equal to what? Just in place of WL, write down WS, weight of solids by gamma W plus weight of solids by GS gamma W. That's it. As simple as that. WS is how much, my dear friend? 0.18. 28.176 divided by 1 plus 28.176 divided by 2.73 into 1. So VD in cc you will get how much? Like this only you have solved. Nearest integer, I wanted the answer in nearest integer, my friend. You are not getting the instructions. Follow my instructions. 15.39. Someone have reported 15 as the correct answer. That was very much fine. 15.39 cc. Nearest integer is 15 here. 15 was correct. Okay. So if you are giving me 15 as the answer, that is very correct. Let's see how many of you have given. Good question. Many of you have given me. Vishu, Ankit, Ranjit, then Parth, Anvi, very good. Many of you have given me the answers. I am liking it. Let's see the next question, my dear friend. Very simple question on soil classification. Solve it fast, please. Solve this please. Okay, I have not on the poll. Very sorry. Now poll is also on. Please type the answer once again. Everyone is getting CI as the answer. Let's see my dear friends. So here liquid limit is 48%. Plastic limit is 26. IP is what? 48 minus 26, that is 22. IP on A line 0.73 WL minus 20. 0.73 WL minus 20, that is 20.44. Our IP is above this and liquid limit is less than, therefore liquid limit is less than 50% and IP is greater than IPA. This implies CI, that is clay of intermediate compressibility, because it is above A line. I don't need to show it, hai na? D is the correct answer. It will fall somewhere here, my dear friend, in this range. This will fall, this point will somewhere fall here, IP and liquid limit above A line, that is in CI range. Okay. Like this you can do this, very simple question to solve. Any doubts here? These kind of simple questions also you can expect in your exam. D is the correct answer. Many of you have given me. So Jaiprakash, Ranjit Kaur, Story Wallah, and then Master in Business, whatever your name is. Yes, WL also can tell. Very good, Mr. Kendure. From WL only you can see. WL was between 50% to 35%. So your clay, any soil will be of intermediate compressibility. Only in one option we had intermediate compressibility. So without solving also you can click the answer D. Yeah, only seeing from WL you could have given the correct answer. Very good. So this kind of approach also you should have in exam. Just see the option. Might be you can just eliminate the options easily. Without doing any detailed calculation also you can solve this question. Very good. One question on compaction. Please solve this as well. Very simple question. Please solve it. MDD is the maximum dry density. Click the correct answer please. This is very simple question. Shouldn't take much time. So whenever you increase the compactive effort, we know our maximum dry density will increase and OMC should decrease, hai na? Maximum dry density increases and OMC decreases. So maximum dry OMC of standard Proctor test will be more than OMC of modified Proctor test, and maximum dry density of modified Proctor test is more than maximum density of standard Proctor. B is the correct answer. So due to increase in compactive effort, your maximum dry density increases and OMC decreases. B is the correct answer, my dear friend. MP is for modified Proctor test here. Okay. B was the correct answer here. I don't know why many of you are giving me C as the answer, but B was the correct one. So Mr. Jai Prakash, Venkatesh, Venkat, Ranjit Kaur, very good. Storywala, Vijay Mondkar. Many of you have given me the answers. Very good. Let's see the next question. One question on embankment fill as well. Try to do this one. This is also a very good question. Try to attempt this question, please. Make it fast. Water content is same in both the soils. Okay. Try to do this question. Try to do this, please. Make it fast. Type option only once. Weight of the soil will be same in both the cases. See now, volume of embankment is how much? Volume of embankment is 100 meter cube. Weight of soil in embankment will be volume of embankment into gamma embankment. Volume of pit I need to find out. Now weight of soil in pit is equal to volume of pit into gamma pit. This is equal to weight of soil in embankment because both the soils have the same moisture content. The weight will be same. So therefore volume of soil in pit is equal to how much? Volume of embankment, gamma of embankment 18 divided by gamma of pit, that is 15. How much answer you are getting? See, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 5 20s are. So, are we doing, okay, yeah, 20 into 6, that is 120 meter cube. Number of trips is 20, that is volume of pit by 6, that is 120 by 6, that is 20 trips. C is the correct answer, my dear friend. Very simple question. Since here both were at the same moisture content, so weight of the soil in pit as well as the weight of soil in embankment is same. So like this you could have solved it, very simple to solve. C is the correct answer. Rishi, Gaurav Thakur, Rishu Kumar, Ritik Verma, many of you have given me the answers. Very good. Let's proceed further. This is also a good question. Try to solve this question now. Give me the answer in nearest integer, okay? Give me the answer in nearest integer. Do it fast. Give me the answer in nearest integer. Give by mistake, okay, nearest integer please. Type the answer in nearest integer. Please type your answer in nearest integer, okay. Do it. Good question. Many of you have given me the answers, very good. So, relationship between relative density and angle of friction of sand was given as. So, first of all, try to find out phi dash here. Phi dash in my case will be what, 28.1.8 into dr. Dr relative density was given to me. A drain triaxial test was conducted on same sand. So, for sand C is 0 with a chamber confining stress sigma 3f was given to me. The sand sample was prepared at a relative density of 68%. So, 1.8 into 68. So, phi dash is coming out to be how much, my dear friend? I have got phi dash as 40.24, right? 40.24. Phi dash is how much? (28) into, it is 0.18, not 1.8, sorry, 0.18 into 68. (40.24 degrees). Now we know sigma 1f is equal to what? Sigma 3f was given to me, that is 150 kp. C is equal to 0 for sand. Okay. Okay. Now sigma 1f is equal to what? Sigma 3f tan square 45 plus 5 by 2. Sigma 3f bar was given to me. Sigma 1f bar I am calculating. C dash I will take it as. So sigma 1f bar minus sigma 3f bar is equal to what? That is sigma 3f bar into tan square 45 plus phi dash by 2 minus 1. So sigma 3f bar is how much? 150 into tan 45 plus phi dash by 2. Phi dash is how much? 40 point. What is the answer? Okay, tan square, it was square also, no? (547.43). So nearest integer was 547. 43 or 44 kPa will also work. So nearest integer was 547, my dear friend. Nearest integer was 5. Very simple question, though the statements were complex, but the question was very simple. 547 was the nearest integer. Huh? Nitesh, Gaurav, Triple, Swagatam, very good. Many answers I have got here. Let us proceed further again. Huh? Let us see this question. Try to solve this question, very simple again. Please solve this one now. This type of question have been asked many times in your exam. Huh? Try to solve it, please. You have to transform y, not x. Yt is transformed. Only one option is correct here, my dear friend. A and C is same. By mistake they are same. Okay. Misprint in the question. Huh? This should be. Wait, I am correcting the question again. There is mistake in the question. It should be under root kV by kh. Okay. Let's show the answer. Let's start the poles again. Okay. I am starting the pole again. I have started the poll again. Now give the correct answer again. Okay. Type the correct answer again. I have started the poll again, my dear friend. Type the correct answer. So here we have a vertical sheet pile is installed in an anisotropic soil. Vertical permeability is Kv, horizontal is Kh. In order to draw the flow net, the embedment depth of the pile should be scaled by a factor. So Yt should be changed. Yt should be changed. Xt is x is constant. So see, we know Kh del square h by del x square plus Kv del square h by del y square is equal to 0 divided by Kh. So del square h by del x square Kv by Kh del square h by del y square is equal to 0. This implies del square h by del x square plus del square h by del square root of Kh by Kv into y square is equal to 0. So y transformed is equal to what? Square root of Kh by Kv into y. This is my correct answer here. So your transformation or the factor for transformation is under root Kh by Kv. Under root Kh by Kv, that is A is the correct answer. Almost all of you have given me the correct answer, I guess. Very simple question. If x was transformed, in that case under root Kv by Kh is the correct answer. Only 6 answers I got correctly. I don't know why the polls are not taking all the answers, but I can see many of you have given me the correct answer. Anyways, A is the correct answer. Very good, my dear friend. Let's see the next question. Next question. Let us see the next question. Very good question on hydraulic conductivity. Report your answer in nearest integer again. Huh? Report your answer in nearest integer. Do it fast. Very good question. Please try to solve this out. Try to solve this. Nearest integer I want done. Very good question. Try to solve it. Solve this question. I have given you ample amount of time. See, we have to find out K here. K can be written like this, MV CV gamma W. So first we will find out MV, then CV, and gamma W 9.81 you know, and you will get the hydraulic conductivity, that is K here. From the data, initial effective stress was given to me, initial void ratio was 1.5, change in effective stress is 150, final void ratio is 0.9. So the thickness of soil specimen, time for 50% consolidation, everything was given to me. So let us start. First, MV is equal to what? AV upon 1 plus E naught. AV is delta E upon delta sigma bar upon 1 plus E naught. Delta E is how much? 1.1 minus 0.9. Delta sigma bar is 150 only. 1 plus 1.1 is equal to how much? What is the value of MV I got? I have calculated it for you. 6.35 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. 6.35 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 meter square per kilonewton. Please see the units also. Huh? Now U50, TV50 is equal to what? That is equal to pi by 4 into 0.5, that is U50 square, 0.5 square, because U is 0.5 here. So TV50 is equal to how much? 0.197. 0.197. Now TV50 is equal to CVT50 upon H square. So CV is equal to what? TV50, that is 0.197 into H square. Drainage path, what is my drainage path? Drainage is on both the sides, thickness is 25. So H is equal to D by 2 here. So 25 by 2 whole square upon T50, that is 2 minutes. So this will come out in mm square per minute. So answer CV, answer what you got? That is 15.39 mm square per minute. 15.39 mm square per minute. Okay. So therefore K is equal to what, my dear friend? MV CV gamma W. MV is 6.35 into 10 raised to power minus 4. CV is 15.39. Convert it into meter into 10 raised to power minus 6 meter square per minute. This is 9.81. So answer will come out in meter per minute. And we want the answer in what? We wanted the answer in, answer should be in what? Mm per year. So first tell me what answer I am getting here. 9.6 into 10 raised to power minus 8. Convert meter in mm and minute into years. Minute to hour, hour to days, days to year. So this will give me mm per year. Like this only you have solved. So final answer what you are getting? I got the answer as 50.457. Very good question. Though seems to be complex but not that complex. So nearest integer is 50. Many of you have given me 50 as the answer. Last year this type of question was asked in GATE as well. So 50 was the nearest integer. Huh? Some of you have given me the answer as well. Very good. Vishu, Ritik, Vijay, Ranjit, many have given me 50 as the correct answer. Nearest integer is 50. Very good question, but not that difficult. Okay. Let's do one more good question. Try to solve this one as well. Very good question. Again, nearest integer, please. Nearest integer. Report your answer in nearest integer. Okay. Very simple question. This kind of question have been asked many times in your exam. Please do it. If you are not able to see any figure, please let me know. Nearest integer, report your answer. See, let's see this. सिंपल था ये तो. गामा डब्ल्यू आपको दे रखा है, गामा सेट आप निकाल लो. गामा सेट क्ले का दिया हुआ है, सारे गामा सेट तो दे ही रखे. तो फुटिंग ऑफ साइज 2 मीटर क्रॉस 2 मीटर, transferring a pressure of 200 kPa is placed at a depth of 1.5 meter as shown. 1.5 meter पे रखा है. The clay stratum is NC. The clay has specific gravity of this, compression index of 0.3. Considering this, gamma W. The primary consolidation settlement is this. तो एक बात बताओ, सीसी तुमको जब दे रखा था तो डेल्टा एच क्या लिखते तुम? डेल्टा एच इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? सीसी अपॉन 1 प्लस ई नॉट लॉग ऑफ सिग्मा नॉट बार प्लस जो भी सिग्मा नॉट बार डेल्टा सिग्मा बार निकालोगे डेट विल बी एट द सेंटर ऑफ क्ले लेयर अपॉन सिग्मा नॉट बार इंटू एच नॉट. यही तो है. सीसी कितना है भाई? 0.3. सिंपल क्वेश्चन था. ई नॉट निकालना है मुझे, इनिशियल वॉइड रेशियो. गामा सेट ऑफ क्ले से निकल जाएगा. इनिशियल वॉइड रेशियो गामा सेट क्या लिखता हूं मैं? गामा सेट इज इक्वल टू GS प्लस ई नॉट अपॉन 1 प्लस ई नॉट इंटू गामा डब्ल्यू. गामा सेट गामा डब्ल्यू 10 लेके चलना है, बोला गया है इसमें. गामा डब्ल्यू विल बी टेकन एज हाउ मच? कहीं लिख रखा है गामा डब्ल्यू के बारे में? क्ले हैज अ स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी ऑफ 2.65 एंड दिस गामा डब्ल्यू देखो 10 लेके चलना है, बोला गया है यहाँ पे. GS इज 2.65 एंड ये 17 है. सो 17 इज इक्वल टू 2.65 प्लस ई नॉट कितना आ गया? 1 प्लस ई नॉट इंटू 10. तो हमने भी इसको सॉल्व किया, मेरा ई नॉट की वैल्यू आई. ई नॉट कितना है भाई हमारा? ई नॉट इज 1.357. यही आ रहा है. सिग्मा नॉट बार क्या? इट इज द इनिशियल इफेक्टिव स्ट्रेस एट द सेंटर ऑफ क्ले लेयर. इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन काफी बार आए हैं. एट द सेंट okay, this type of question you have got many times in an exam. Center of clay layer. So how much you are getting here? Sigma naught bar at the center of clay layer. How much you are getting, my dear friend? At the center I need to find out. That is at 0.75 meters. So total stress above water table 15 into 2. So 15 total stress above water table plus gamma submerged. Gamma submerged, that is 18 minus 10, that is 8. 8 into 0.5 and 7 into 0.75. How much you are getting here? That is 39.25 kPa. Now delta sigma bar is also change in effective stress at the center of clay layer by trapezoidal method, considering 2 vertical is to 1 horizontal load distribution. Directly I am writing it is how much? Q into B square divided by B plus Z whole square. So Q is 200 into 2 square. Depth from the here is how much? 0.5 plus 1.5 plus 0.75, 1.75. 2 plus 1.75 whole square. This is my delta sigma bar. How much you are getting here? Tell me fast. So delta sigma bar I got as 56.889 kPa. Put everything in this formula. Delta H is equal to what? Cc 1 plus E naught log of sigma naught bar 39.25 plus 56.889 divided by sigma naught bar 39.25 into H naught. Thickness of clay layer. H naught is how much? 1.5 meter. Convert it into mm. How much you are getting delta H? Tell me fast. 74.28 mm. Nearest integer would have been 74 here. Interesting question, but not tough. 74 was the nearest integer. I am seeing 74.26. These are also acceptable, but I told you to find out the answer in nearest integer. So, correct answer in nearest integer is 74. Some of you have given me 𝐂𝐚𝐿, Vijay, Keshav. See, calculative questions will also come in exam. Okay. See, one question on Skempton. Write down the value. See, to report your answer, B into 100, do B into 100 and then nearest integer. Okay. Then nearest integer. Whatever B you are getting multiplied by 100, then report your answer in nearest integer. Okay. Do it fast. B into 100, then nearest integer. Okay. Do it fast, please. Make it fast. Make it fast, please. Do it fast. Find out B here. See, a sample of soil was consolidated at a cell pressure of 20 kP and a back pressure of 10. Back pressure will always be there. So, initial net pressure is how much? That is 10 kPa, 20 minus 10. The cell pressure was increased to 30 on the next day and back pressure is still going on for 10. So, it resulted in the development of a pore water pressure of 1 kb. So, delta sigma 3 is back pressure was given just to confuse you. Delta sigma 3 is simply 13 minus 20. Earlier it was 20, now 30. So, 10 kp. Due to this, delta U1 is equal to how much? That is 1 kPa. We have to find out B only. The value of B only we need to find out. So, only this data was needed. So, B is delta U upon delta sigma 3, 1 by 10, that is 0.1. Now, B into 100, 0.1 into 0.1 into 100, that is equal to 10. 10 was the answer I was expecting from you. 10. I told you to report your answer in integer by multiplying b by 100. So 10, many of you have given me Jampu, Keshav, Parth, but many of you are not able to solve the questions. That is not good at all. Anyways, try to do this question. The Rankine earth pressure force you have to find out here. Find out the Rankine active force here after the occurrence of tension crack. Again report your answer in nearest integer, okay. Report your answer in nearest integer, my dear friend. I am waiting, do it fast. Do it fast. I want the answer in nearest integer. Waiting for answers. तो भाई सबसे पहले what you should do here in these type of question, first find out K. We have to find out Rankine active earth pressure force. Height of retaining wall was given to me. So K is what? K is how much? 1 minus sine phi upon 1 plus sine phi. So just tell me the calculation, what is the value of K you have got here. K I have got as 0.39. Then just find out the depth of tension crack. This is the depth of tension crack, that is Z0 is equal to 2C by gamma under root K. 2 into C, that is cohesion was not given. Okay, 14.36. Gamma is 17.4 square root of 0.39. So Z0 in meters you are getting here. How much? Depth of tension crack is 2.64 meters. Okay. Now this is my earth pressure diagram here. It is 0 at 2.64 meters. Remaining is this, that is 6 minus 2.64 is 3.36 meters. Okay. So PA, how much you are getting here? What is the value of PA here? PA at this point at Z is equal to 6 meters. PA is K gamma Z minus 2C under root K. Under root K is how much? That is 0.39. So PA at 6 meters I got how much? 22.766. Now FA is area under this triangle. So FA is equal to half into 22.7. This is 22.766. Okay. 22.766 into 3.36. That is equal to how much? I got the answer as 38.246. Simple question. Nearest integer was 38 here. I told you to report the answer in nearest integer 38. Only 2 students given me the correct answer, Jampu and Keshav. Why are you not able to answer these questions? I am not getting it. Anyways, let's proceed further again. Let's see few more questions here. One question on pile foundation. Please solve this as well. Okay. Solve this as well, make it fast. Try to solve this question, make it fast please. Do it fast. Try to solve this question. This is a simple question on pile foundation. Ultimate load carrying capacity for 10-meter long concrete pile of square cross section driven into a homogeneous clay layer having undrained cohesion is 40 kPa is 700. If the cross section is reduced to 250, length is increased, the ultimate load carrying capacity is what? First find out QU. QU is equal to CUNC into area of base plus alpha CU into perimeter. So, beta QU is how much here for the first case, that is for pile 1 I am doing it, okay. So, 700 is equal to CU, CU is 40, NC is 9 and area of base is 0.5 meter square, okay, 0.5 meter square, P into L, okay, area of surface we will do, area of surface. Alpha I do not know, I have to find it out, 40 into 4 into 0.5 into initial length was how much? 10 meter. So, from here you can solve and find out the value of alpha. So, I have solved the value of alpha from here, 0.7625. Pile 2 QU is equal to 40 into 9 into 0.25 square plus 0.7625 into 40 into 4 times 0.25 and length was increased to 20 meters, right? Correct. So, QU how much you got? Very simple question on pile 632.5, 632.5 kilonewton, okay. This is the answer you got, that is answer is C. Answer is C here my dear friend, answer is C, very correct answer. Okay, now let us see one question on Taylor stability number as well, try to solve this one as well. C was the correct answer, many of you have given me the answer, very good. First one was Keshav, then Jump You, Mr. Triple. Now tell me the answer of this question, make it fast. Try it out please, make it fast. Simple question again. Out the value of Sn here. The embankment is to be constructed. Cu, phi, everything was given. Find the factor of safety with respect to cohesion. If the slope is √3 vertical is to 1 horizontal. So beta is how much? Tan beta is equal to √3. So beta is 60 degrees. For beta 60 degrees, Sn is this. So Sn is equal to C upon gamma T HFC, that is 0.97. We have to just find out the factor of safety with respect to cohesion. So Fc will be equal to C, cohesion is 20, gamma was 18, H was given me as how much? Height is 10 meters, 0.097. This is the factor of safety with respect to cohesion. Like this you will calculate 1.15. Very simple question. Like this, these kind of questions also you can expect in your exam. B is the correct answer. So if you are giving me B as the answer, it is very correct. Okay. Okay, B was the correct answer. Many of you, almost all of you have given me the same answer. Very good. Next question please. Try this one also. Try this one please. Match the column. Try this one as well. Do it fast. Do it fast. Try this question as well. Then I will proceed further again. The correct answer, my dear friend. Strip footing was provided for load bearing walls. So one is A. Isolated footing supports an individual column. C. Combined footing supports more than one column. D. Raft footing, large slab supporting almost all the columns. That is B. A, C, D, B. Very simple question. D is the correct answer here. Almost all of you have given me the correct answer. Rishi, Samarth, Kendru and so on. Very good. Solve this question as well. Try to attempt this one as well. Do it fast. This type of question is also many times asked in your exam. Okay. Do it fast. B is the correct answer here. For rigid footing in cohesive soil, rigid footing, non-uniform stress distribution, and for cohesive soil you will get this kind of convex pressure distribution. B is the correct answer here. B is the correct answer. Nitin, Shivam, Anvi, Ankit, very good. Many of you have given me the correct answers. Okay. Let's do few more questions. Attempt this one also. Report your answer in nearest integer again. Report your answer in nearest integer. Okay. Do it fast. Solve this one. So we have a square footing to carry a column load of 500 kilonewton which is resting on a soil stratum having following average properties: bulk unit weight, angle of internal friction is 0, cohesion is given to me, considering depth of footing as 1 meter, adopting Meyer bearing capacity theory with the factor of safety of 3, width of the footing is, assume applicable shape and depth factor, all is taken as 1, all factors are 1 only. Okay. So let us try to solve this now. Let us try to solve this. So applicable shape and depth factor is taken as 1 only. So as per Meyer, ultimate bearing capacity CNC, SC, DC, IC, QNQ, SQ, DQ, IQ plus 0.5 B gamma, N gamma, S gamma, D gamma, I gamma. All these factors are 1 only, that is S is equal to D equal to I is equal to 1. So QU is equal to what? CNC, cohesion is 25. NC is how much? NC for phi is equal to 0, NC is taken as how much? 5.14, NQ is 1, N gamma is 0. So 5.14 plus Q NQ QNQ is equal to how much? Gamma TDF. Gamma T is 19. Depth of the footing is depth of the footing is 0 because the soil is depth of footing is 1 meter. Gamma T DF and Q1. So QU is coming out to be how much, my dear friend? 147 point small QU, ultimate bearing capacity small QU. So this I got as how much? 147.5 kPa. Now QNS is equal to QNU by FOS, that is QU minus gamma TDF into FOS. 147.5 minus 19 into 1 divided by FOS is 3 is equal to how much? 42.83. Let us keep this as the last question for today's session. So for safety, P by B square should be less than equal to QNS. So your B should be greater than equal to how much? B should be greater than equal to square root of P 500 by QNS, that is 42.83. So this is 3.4 something, 3.4 meters. So I told you to report the answer in nearest integer, that is 3 meter. If you are reporting, it's okay. So many of you have reported the answer, very good. So let's keep the session till here only. Then we will meet in one more session in Mahabhyas on our Hindi channel. So if you want to practice more, join in another session at 6:30. So 6:30 we will again start the practice session of Mahabhyas. There I will take more new questions for you. Hopefully you like the questions. I tried to bring many new questions. Okay. So let's meet at 6:30 again. Bye bye everybody.